I can see her from afar. She just a shine like a morning light. I can see her very clear. She just a shine in a broad daylight. And she was walking, and I was watching every step and the move she was making. She is adoring, I am admiring her hips and her curves. Beauty is a natural thing, originality and mysterious thing. Rest of my voice can sing. I thank the Lord for a beauty queen. For so black is beautiful, baby, you're black. Baby, more and your black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. And your black is natural. Black is original.